Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So happy new year to everyone, and today we are doing first cash envelope stuffing of the year 2022, and this is the paycheck of the month January. So before going into cash stuffing, let's check our budget breakdown. So this is the breakdown of January month. On the left side I have written the categories, and on the right side I have written the amount that we are going to stuff. So let's check the monthly expenses in detail. So I received 15,400 rupees this month, and again monthly expenses are divided into offline and online expenses. So in online we have RD, which gets 1,000 rupees, investment will get 1,000 rupees, light bill will get 500, milk will get 1800, newspaper bill will get 300, my mobile and internet recharge will get 800 and cooking gas will get 500. ये पहले 400 था, लेकिन अभी क्योंकि गैस सिलेंडर के प्राइस बढ़ गए हैं तो अब मैं इसे 500 करने वाली हूँ. सो ये टोटल है 5,900 रुपये जो मैं ऑनलाइन स्पेंड करूँगी. तो ये मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में ही रहेंगे और हम बाकी के पैसे का हम कैश स्टफिंग करने वाले हैं. And in our cash envelope, spending will get 500 rupees, grocery will get 2,000, vegetables will get 1,000 and petrol will get 1,000 rupees. Now moving on to the sinking funds, Diwali will get 1,000, all birthdays will get 1,000, my birthday will get 500 rupees, health will get 500, bike maintenance will get 300, travel will get 500, subscriptions will get 200, shopping will get 300 rupees, clothes shopping will get 400 rupees and special event will get 300 rupees. And now in 52-week challenge, this month we are stuffing 4 values 10, 20, 230 and 240, which is another total of 500 rupees. So total 5,000 rupees we are stuffing in our sinking funds. Now let's do the cash stuffing in my new envelopes. So let's start with our monthly expenses. So after putting online expenses aside, now I will do my wallet stuffing. So spending will be getting 500 rupees, and I'm taking this as 500 rupees notes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is my spending with 500 in it. Then we have grocery. This will get 2,000 rupees. This will be 500 rupees notes. So this is 1, 2. Then vegetables will get 1,000 rupees. This I am going to divide as 1 500 ka note and 2 200 and 100. So this is 500. This is 1,000. Now we have petrol, and petrol will be getting 1,000 rupees. So this is again 1 500. No, wait, I will use it as 3 200 note and 400 rupees note. I have lot of hundreds and 200 this time. So this is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is my 1,000 rupees in petrol. And now this will go into my wallet. I'll put them here. I have some change left which will be carried forward, and I do have coins which I'll be putting in my coin jar. Keep them there. And this is my coin jar. I emptied it. It can go in this. So our monthly expenses are done. Now let's move in to our sinking funds. So Diwali will get 1,000 rupees. So this will be 2 500 rupees notes. And these are my new cash envelopes, and you can see my money is fitting perfectly in this. So I'm very happy. I'm liking these pouches actually very much. Then all birthdays will get 500 rupees. This again I am putting 500 ka note. Then my birthday will again get 500 rupees. Health will be getting again 500 rupees. I'll be using as 200, okay, and 100 for health. Bike will be getting 300, so this will be 200 and 100 rupees note. These are really amazing pouches. I feel so happy while stuffing these pouches. And travel will get 500, again a 500 rupee note. Then subscription, this will get 200 rupees. So this is 200. Then shopping is getting 300. So this will be 200 rupee note and 100 rupee note. Clothing will get 400 rupees. So I'll take 200 and 200 rupees note. So this is 400. In special events, this will be getting 300. So 1, 2 and 3. And then 52-week challenge. This time we are stuffing the values 10, 20, 230 and 240, and that is total of 500 rupees. So this 500 rupee note will go into my 52-week challenge. So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and please ask your friends and family as well to watch these videos and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.